In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Olive Garden gift card balance. Let's dive right in and get started with the first step. To begin, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. Once you have your browser open, head to the address bar at the top. This is where you can type in search terms or web addresses. Type Olive Garden into the search bar and hit enter. This step is important because it directs you to the right place where you can find more information about Olive Garden, including gift card services. Once you have your search results, you'll need to open the correct link. Look for the official Olive Garden website, which should be one of the top results. The correct link will usually include olivegarden.com in the web address. Click on this link to open the official Olive Garden website. Opening the correct link is crucial because it ensures you are accessing a legitimate site, protecting your personal information, and ensuring that you are dealing with the right company. Now that you are on the Olive Garden website, scroll down to the footer of the page. The footer is the section at the very bottom of the website, usually containing links to important pages like contact information and terms of service. In the footer, you'll find a link that says Check Gift Cards Balances. Click on this link to proceed. This step is essential because it takes you directly to the page where you can check your gift card balance, saving you time and effort. With that ready, you'll see a page asking for your gift card information. You'll need to enter your card number and PIN in the designated fields. Your Olive Garden gift card number is typically a long series of digits, and the PIN is a shorter number often found on the back of the card. Be sure to enter the numbers carefully to avoid any errors. After you've entered your card number and PIN, click on the Check Balance button. This action will prompt the system to retrieve your current gift card balance. You will see a confirmation appear with your balance information. This is the moment of truth where you find out how much you have left to spend on delicious Olive Garden meals. Checking your gift card balance is a straightforward process, but it is important because it helps you plan your dining budget. Knowing your balance can help you decide if you need to add more funds before your next visit. And remember, keeping track of your gift card balance ensures you can enjoy your dining experience without any unexpected surprises at the checkout. Now you know exactly how to check your Olive Garden gift card balance. This simple process can be repeated anytime you need to verify your card's remaining value. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your next meal at Olive Garden with confidence, knowing exactly how much you have to spend.